All right, for your Amatrol equipment tip for today, I want to talk about this lamp 1 push button. You can see we have a common, normally closed, normally open, and then you'll notice these other lamps, they're directly connected to the lamp. But this one is a little different, and let me show you what you really have that this symbol doesn't show real well. All right, this Google presentation link will be included in the description. And this is what you would give your students. You can print this out and give it to them. And again, here's the symbol that they give for lamp 1 push button. But what you really have is this. You have a red light in series with that contact. And this switch, I can show you, you can see right there, see how it switches back and forth? That's what happens when you push the button. This is when you let go of the button. And let me show you what this circuit does. So when we turn power on, we're not touching anything. The red light is on and the yellow light is on. Everything looks normal. When I push the button, yellow light goes out, red light stays on. Nothing else energizes. We don't get the F contactor or the green light to energize. Now I'll let go and the yellow light comes back on. So looking at it this way, this is what the instructor would keep kind of hidden. What you want to give the students is this, and then try to have them explain why the circuit does what it does. And in this presentation you will see notes at the bottom kind of giving you a walkthrough of what's happening. You'll see that in the presentation notes, and this is a great way to emphasize to students why understanding the basics, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's voltage law, etc., why these fundamentals are important to be a good troubleshooter. So just a bonus material that I came up with for that trainer.